Hi, you guys. My name is Annabelle, and today I'm going to be talking you through the new OLAPLEX number 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. It's an amazing product, and I'm so excited to share with you how I get this beautiful, clean, refreshed hair. It looks like I washed my hair and blow dry it, but really I just use this product on my post-gym sweaty hair. I'm a fine hair girl who struggles with oily hair every day, but I also like to work out, so I have that added element of sweat. And so I've been on the hunt for a dry shampoo that works for me. And the amazing thing is this dry shampoo is meant for all hair types and all hair textures, and I can contest to its amazing results. So stay tuned to watch how we transform my hair together. We are beginning on my post-gym oily hair. If you'll take a closer look, you can see that I struggle with oil buildup and separation in my hair after working out. I love to work out most days, which is great, but I need to refresh my hair. So we are going in with the OLAPLEX number 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo to just make my hair feel fresh again. As you'll see, my roots are very flat to my head, and that is just because of the oil buildup. And so I'm excited to add some weightless volume back into it. So what you do is you're gonna begin by taking the lid off your dry shampoo and giving it a good shake. And what I like to do is just take little partings right along my scalp and begin working my way down, evenly distributing the dry shampoo. And I hold the dry shampoo about 6 to 10 inches away from my scalp. Just like that. And then I will follow up again, taking another parting, flipping it up and taking the dry shampoo, holding it away from my scalp and spraying. Not only does this product smell great, it's a clean product. It doesn't leave white residue, which I really appreciate because my hair is darker. And I don't like when you can see that white powder, and the OLAPLEX 4D dry shampoo does not do that. Another thing I love about this dry shampoo is that it does not clog your pores, which is super important because a healthy scalp is healthy hair. Now I'm gonna flip that side back over, and we're gonna continue doing the same thing on the other side. Take a parting, flip it, and spray. And you'll be very pleased to know that this dry shampoo also does not have any benzene in it, which is super important for our health, so I'm thrilled about that. The OLAPLEX 4D dry shampoo is made with a microstarch formula, so that is why it is able to leave that super light and airy feel while keeping your hair soft. It can be really hard to find the perfect dry shampoo, and I've searched the whole entire market. I'm now just gonna do the same thing, taking sections and going along the back. To wait about 30 seconds, and then I begin massaging the product into my hair. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, so I'm just gonna take my hands and really begin working the product in. This helps with equal distribution, but it just kind of warms it all up against your scalp and really gets it in there, absorbing all those oils. I use this product literally daily. I love it on my dirty hair. I love it on my freshly clean and washed hair to just add volume. I use it with styling. It really is so versatile and an amazing product. All right, just keep massaging. And you immediately can see the added airy volume. You can see that my roots are just looking fresh as if I washed them instantly right away. I'm not struggling with all that separation underneath my scalp anymore. It's just filled out my hair, giving me weightless. It's giving me that airy, soft finish that I long for. As somebody who uses dry shampoo every day, it was so important to me to find one that didn't dry out my hair. My hair still feels so soft when I use this, and it doesn't leave any grittiness in my hair or any white residue, and my hair still feels like it's nice and healthy. after using the OLAPLEX number 4D dry shampoo for such a long time now and using it daily, I've been able to see that my hair has maintained its health and honestly become healthier because I'm not using a dry shampoo that is damaging my hair or drying it out. I do have to say my post-tube hair is looking pretty great. It still has so much shine, so much more volume, but I'm just gonna throw in a few quick big curls just to finish it off so that my hair is ready to go for the rest of my day. Alright, there we have a few curls just thrown into the hair just to make it a little bit more polished and ready for the rest of my day. And if you're ever wanting just a little bit more body and volume, you could always take a little bit more of your dry shampoo and spray it closer to the top of your scalp and rub it in. I'm just gonna do that on both sides. And you can kind of see the way that just gave it some lift and some shape on that side. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The OLAPLEX number 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo is simply amazing. It's changed the hair game for me. It's a staple. I use it daily. If you're somebody who likes to work out every day or gets oily hair or is just looking to add some volume while maintaining the health of your hair, this is an amazing dry shampoo to try. OLAPLEX has hit it out of the park with this one and I can't recommend it enough. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you soon. Bye.